It's often challenging to find the right words to compliment someone after seeing their picture, but there are many effective ways to express your admiration. In this article, based on insights from dating coach John Keegan, we explore various approaches. For instance, compliment her photogenic qualities by saying she sparkles or noting that she has a gorgeous smile. Instead of vague compliments, use specific references, like comparing her beauty to a masterpiece or sharing how her photo reminded you of a favorite movie. Let her know she's been on your mind, or mention how her image brightened your day. Compliments about her eyes, skin, hair, and outfit can also go a long way, so be specific about what you appreciate. Additionally, acknowledging her photography skills can show you value her creative side. Overall, sincere and thoughtful compliments will surely make her feel special and appreciated.